Good morning, friends. Welcome to EBC Real by Bhanu channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter 4 Maps. This is the chapter of class 6 subject SST Geography. This video is beneficial for Army Public School students. This video is important for exam perspective. In this video, we are going to discuss question and answer of this lesson. Question and answer are divided into two parts. First, we will discuss some important questions of this lesson. Then we will discuss NCERT questions of this lesson. फ्रेंड्स एसएसटी ज्योग्राफी चैप्टर 4 से पहले हम लोगों ने 3 चैप्टर्स के क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स डिस्कस किए हैं। आप इस चैप्टर का वीडियो देखने से पहले उन चैप्टर्स का वीडियो ज़रूर देख लें, क्योंकि एसएसटी ज्योग्राफी ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण हैं। तो प्लीज़ आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी एसएसटी ज्योग्राफी ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूवर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं, तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें, जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी न्यू वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। फ्रेंड्स, हमारे वीडियोस को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें और बीच में स्किप कर ना जाएं। अगर आपको हमारे चैनल का कंटेंट पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें और हमारे वीडियोस को लाइक करना ना भूलें। आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट कर ज़रूर बताएं। फ्रेंड्स, हमारे चैनल पर आपको ज्योग्राफी, हिस्ट्री एंड सिविक्स क्लास 6 के होल चैप्टर सीरीज मिलेगी, वो भी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। तो आप सिर्फ हमारे चैनल पर आकर उन वीडियोस को फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। सम इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हाट आर द 3 components of a map? Answer of this question is, the 3 components of maps are distance, directions, and symbols. Question number 2. What are the 4 cardinal directions? Answer of this question is, the 4 cardinal directions are east, west, north, and south. Question number 3. How are maps more important than a globe? Answer of this question is, a globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole, but when we want to study only a part of the earth, as about the country, states, districts, towns, and villages, it is of little help. In such a situation, we use maps. Question number 4. What is the difference between a map and a plan? Answer of this question is, map. A map is a representation or a drawing of the Earth's surface or a part of it, drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Whereas a plan is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. A large scale map gives a lot of information, but there are certain things which we may sometimes want to know at that time. We can refer drawings drawn to scale called a plan. Question number 5. Which map provides detailed information? Answer of this question is, thematic map provides detailed information. Question number 6. How do symbols help in reading maps? Answer of this question is, it is not possible to draw on a map the actual shape and size of different features such as buildings, roads, bridges, or a well. So they are shown by using certain letters, shades, colors, pictures, and lines. These symbols give a lot of information in a limited space. With the use of those symbols, map can be drawn easily and are simple to read. Now we will discuss NCERT questions. Question number 1. Why do you mean by the term the scale of the map? Answer of this question is, first, map can be rolled, threefold, fourfold, etc. So they can be easily carried or transferred, whereas a globe cannot be folded and it takes more space. A globe is delicate, so it can break, so it is difficult to transfer or carry. Second, maps are straight and can be spread on a flat surface, so you can get a complete view of the earth at once. On the other hand, in a globe, you get only half or lesser view of the earth. As to get an informative view, you have to rotate the globe a number of times. Third, due to the flat surface of a map, it is easier to calculate the scale, but it is difficult to calculate the scale on a curved surface, that is a globe. Fourth, because of the flat view of a map, it is easier to understand where each country, continent or ocean lies in relation to each other. This is not possible in a globe due to its shape. Fifth, a globe is more helpful in understanding the movement of the earth, that is, rotation and revolution, and the reasons for the occurrence of day and night. This can't be explained in the map. Tick the correct option. Question number 1. Map showing distribution of forest are: option A, physical map; option B, thematic map; option C, political map. Answer of this question is option B, thematic map. Question number 2. The blue color is used for showing. Options are A, water bodies; B, mountains; C, plains. Answer of this question is option A, water bodies. Question number 3. A compass is used. Option A, to show symbols; option B, to find the main direction; option C, to measure distance. Answer of this question is option B, to find the main direction. Question number 4. A scale is necessary. Option A, for a map; option B, for a sketch; option C, for symbols. Answer of this question is option A, for a map. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For more videos, press bell icon. Friends, SST Geography ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज एग्जाम पर्सपेक्टिव से महत्वपूर्ण है, तो प्लीज़ आप हमारे वीडियोस अपने ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, जिससे वो भी हमारी SST Geography ऑल चैप्टर सीरीज का बेनिफिट उठा सकें। फ्रेंड्स, आपको जिस भी सब्जेक्ट के जिस भी चैप्टर का वीडियो चाहिए, आप हमें कमेंट कर बता सकते हैं। हम उस चैप्टर का वीडियो अपलोड कर देंगे। तो फ्रेंड्स, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।